Hey everyone, so today we're going to install an flying insect light trap. These things are kid and pet friendly. Basically plug it into the outlet, the light attracts the bugs, and there's some glue traps that they get stuck on. Last 15 to 20 days. It's pretty cool, pretty easy to set up. Fruit flies, house flies, gnats, all that stuff. So here in Ohio it's gardening season. So we get tomatoes and peppers and everything inside, and we do get a lot of fruit flies. We get like house flies and stuff throughout as well. So we're going to unpack the box here, see what we have, and show you how to install it. All right, so we have our Wowcatch, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and unbox it. All right, you have your instructions and whatnot. And then these are the glue traps, and this is the plug-in thing. So you need to plug it in, rotate that out, so now it'll fit in there, and we just need to do our glue trap. So look at our glue traps here. We have the one, and then what you do is you peel off the plastic, turn it around, flip it in here. So that's basically all of the install. Throw those away. It does come with two more glue traps, which is pretty cool. And then we can rotate up here to our outlet, and we're just going to simply plug it in. So you can see the light comes on. It's a blue light. The bugs will be attracted to it. So we're going to let this go for a couple days, and then we'll check in and see how it's performing. It's been 2 days, so we're gonna check out what's going on with our Wowcatch insect light trap. So I'm just gonna unplug it here, and we're gonna turn around and take a look. So as you can see, there are a decent amount of little bugs on here. We got a lot of gnats, got some bigger stuff over here. I got a big fly over here, still kind of squirming around, and still a bunch of the little gnats that I didn't know we had, so it makes me feel a little gross. So over the last 2 days, I caught a decent amount of bugs. So we're gonna keep it going and see what else we can catch. So overall, looks like it did a good job. Like I said, that's over a little less than 48 hours of being plugged in, and I don't have a lot of bugs in my house, I didn't think. So we have a few on there, those little gnat looking things, and then a couple of the big bugs too, which is nice. So overall, it seems like a decent bug trap to put around your house. Completely safe for kids and for animals. You know, you don't have to worry about it contaminating your food or anything like that. So a big plus there. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns about this bug light, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you later.